Hi, I'm Ishan, the founder and CEO of Impulse AI. Today, I'm going to show how to build a machine learning model without having to write any code. So let's get started. So first, if you guys are familiar with Kaggle, let's take Spaceship Titanic as the prompt. So what we need to do is we need to figure out which passengers were transported. Our system asks you for a data set. You can upload a data set or connect your data source to our system. And I say, here's my training set. It understands the data set. It does an exploratory data analysis. You can view the full details. We show you the data quality score, the different columns that exist inside the data set, the completeness, and also the consistency. We also share what missing values there are, the different distributions, any correlations within the data, and then any issues. Once everything looks good, you can see that there's an effective quality score of 94 out of 100. Let's train a model to predict who was transported. So now I say train a model. It says, do you want a validation data set? Some people might have one, some people might not. I have one. So let's use this. I've uploaded it. It understands it. It is continue training on the original data set, and then lets us know what the validation set is. And so now what it'll do is it'll train a machine learning model that you'll be able to use in a production application with monitoring coming soon. And there we go. Now we have a model card of the details about this machine learning model, the metrics. So you can see the training accuracy, the training F1. These are metrics on how good it is. And then it shows you the features that are the most important in this case, whether they were in cryo sleep or not. So now we have a model. Let's write generate predictions. We have this. We can see that our predictions are ready. So now we can go to the predictions. We can click on this and we can download our predictions. And there you have it. We've now trained a model from scratch without having to write any code. And you have a CSV that shows you all the predictions that the model made. We also allow API use cases, and you can also run the predictions directly in our application by clicking on preview. Thank you.